The hidden features of Triggermatrix. Normally with the shift button you press the cycle through the pages which are available, and on the launch page the shift feature saves the patterns or things. For example, when I press this without pressing shift, you can load here the trigger matrix and here a drum variation and here the melody lines. And when you press shift, you make the opposite around, you save it. You save the trigger matrix, you save the drum line, you save the melody variation. So this is saved. To save a whole set, you have to press 3 buttons. Now it's saved on the SD card. So this is the shift function on this side. Then there's a shift clear function. Normally, for example, we are in the sequencer mode. We go on, for example, this page. We can copy this to this with copy and paste. And the shift function of paste is clear. So now it's cleared. You can start with a whole new sequence. This is the shift thing on the sequencer. There's a second, it's the kill flame, the flame function. You can turn on and turn off the flame by pressing this button. To program a flame, you must press shift so it blinks. Now, already set step can be flamed. If you want a flame here or here, you must go out of this set flame mode by pressing shift and the flame button. So normal step sequencer mode, by flaming this, press shift and hold and press this. Now you can set flames. So with this button you turn off the flame or set the flame on this page. So that's it for the sequencer, the shift function. We go to the swing. For example, you set swings and you want to paste it here. Copy this, go to this, make paste. If you want to clear it, it should be available here. Yeah, now it's cleared. The steps are cleared. So you can also shift and clear on each side which cycles through. On each side there's a function where you can clear something. Here, for example, the only shift function we have, you want to copy this. Okay, let's copy paste thing again, paste. If you want to clear it, shift and paste is cleared. Now you can set a new song. On the next page, the shift function is for solo. These are normally the mute tracks. To solo a track, you press and hold shift and press a mute button. So you hear only the individual sound. By pressing shift and this again, it should be back again. In some cases it doesn't do this. And for that I have the all in button. For example, I have muted some things. There's a feature which will be able in future releases of the software, of the code. By pressing all in, all the buttons should be activated, so you don't have to switch these things on. Yeah, okay. Let's see, is there a shift function? No, no, no. That's it for shift and the hidden features. About loop length, we are on the sequencer side, and here is the loop. So the loop can run from this to this. Now it runs 16 steps, 16 steps, 16 steps, from page to page to page to page, and this is the indicator of the page which is played. This is the start point and this is the end point. So these are the different colors. And you see, for example, the blue ones are the start point, the green one is the actual page which is played, and the cyan page is the one you edit here. So you edit this, or this, or this. So, for example. Okay, to change a loop section is by pressing the start page and the end page and release it. Okay, again, press and hold, and then the next, and release both. Start with the start point. If you do it other around, for example, you press 7 and 6, only the 6th page is looped now. So you can focus on a sequencer page and edit this to fast hear the differences. To go back to loop section, press and hold the first, press the last, release both on the same time. Now you are in the loop section. Yeah, and for loop a single one, press the next one. You want to loop the 6th, you press and hold the next one, and press the one you want to loop, a single loop page. Now you have to wait until it goes to this page, and now it loops exactly this. If you do it the other way around, for example, you press the first one again, and then the next, you loop these 2 pages. So you can only loop 1 page by pressing the next and the one you want to loop. That's a trick about sequencer pages, and it's made this way around because I don't want to accidentally change the loop section while you're playing or in live act by pressing these buttons. So you can press here all you want if you use 1 finger. But when you use 2 fingers, you change loop sections. That's the trick about this.